Hello everyone, welcome to I Am Kolkata. I'm Chef Charlie and today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple upside down cake. So since we are starting the Christmas week, so it's a very easy recipe you can make at home and I hope everybody will like it. For the ingredients we are going to start today, first of all we need this butter, 200 grams of butter, powdered sugar or castor sugar 200 grams, flour 200 grams, 3 eggs, whole eggs, baking powder 4 grams, some chopped pineapple, pineapple essence, pineapple slice and cherry half we need for the inside of garnishing of the cake. For the caramelization we need butter and brown sugar. So let's get started. Also we need a mold, cake mold, with inside the lining will be the silver foil. Inside, make sure you have to line it with the silver foil inside so that the caramelized sugar doesn't come out from the gaps in the lower part, okay? So we'll start the mixing now. We'll take a bowl. Into that we'll add for the filling first. Inside we are going to use brown sugar and butter. Okay. So here we have taken a fry pan. We are going to heat the fry pan in induction and we are going to add butter into it. Let the butter melt. Make sure the butter melts properly. You don't need any lumps of butter. Stir it nicely. And then we slowly add the brown sugar, okay? Cook it a little properly. We continue stirring it. If required, we add a little more brown sugar. This will be the base for the pineapple upside down cake. So it's getting a oozy texture is coming out, getting cooked, the butter and the sugar. So it's getting a frothy texture, is getting cooked. And this, you have to pour it. You have to pour it in the mold, okay? Now we'll start making the batter. We'll start making the batter by adding the ingredients slowly one by one. So we'll start with the butter and the sugar. We'll cream it together. That is called the creaming method. So we are going to beat in the butter and the sugar properly in a glass bowl. Okay. You're going to use the butter over here. If you want, you can use margarine, but I prefer to use butter. You will get a smooth texture of the cake. To that, we'll add the sugar. And you can use a wooden spatula, or You can use your hand, but make sure you wear gloves so it looks hygienic. So I'll cream with my hand. I'm wearing a gloves. You use a creaming method. See, you're rubbing everything. You get everything together in the center, and then we're going to beat it. So if you have a bowl, if you have a mixer bowl, you can use a mixing bowl, small mixing bowl. If you have in your house, you can use that. It will be faster, but you can use this also, because since it's a small amount, 200 grams, so I'm doing it by hand. See, everything is coming together. All getting combined properly. Beat it rapidly. So this is a American. In America, this is American cake. They use it a lot in the Christmas time. They serve this pineapple upside down cake. Okay. I'll set this aside for a few minutes. Now we'll arrange the pineapples. On the base of the cake. So it is already set little. We have kept it in the fridge for a few minutes, and then you do the pineapple in the base. Okay. We'll add some cherries in the center. It looks beautiful. Okay. Add some cherries here. Okay. We'll set it like this is the base of the cake. Okay. So on top of this, we'll pour the cake batter, and then we'll set it for baking. So here we are continuing mixing again. We're going to back to mixing stage. We'll add the eggs one by one. We add one egg and start mixing. Get everything to get together. Here is the second egg. You're going to beat it continuously so the egg incorporates into the batter. It gets combined properly. This is called the creaming method of making cakes using this. Just get the side of the bowl, and then we'll add the third egg. Now here we'll add the pineapple essence. Take 1 cap, 5 ml, that's approximately 5 ml, another cap of the 5 ml, that is 10 ml total. And then we'll get the beautiful flavor of the pineapple in the batter. See, you can already smell it. The batter is coming together. And then we'll add some little bit of chopped pineapple inside. It will enhance the taste of the pineapple. You'll get a pineapple flavor plus a pineapple taste inside. Now we'll add the final mixing. We'll add the flour slowly, little by little. Add little flour and then we incorporate the flour. Okay, it's a folding, cut and fold method. Slowly, little bit. Make sure we turn the sides of the bowl. See, I'm turning the sides of the bowl. Scrape the side. And then we'll add the rest of the flour. And 4 grams of baking powder which you add. So we turn the bowl and fold. So our batter is ready. Okay. These are batter ready. See it's dropping. Okay, when you pick it up, it's dropping. So dropping consistency is there of the batter. Okay, it's not very thick, not very thick. So what we will do? You take the mold and then we'll pour the batter on top of this. Okay, slowly. Spread evenly. It covers the full area of the cake. See, beautiful golden yellow color. Okay, our cake is ready to go in the oven. We tap it really to, and tap tear is there, it will escape. Okay, we'll bake this. Our cake batter is ready to go in the oven. We'll bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. Then in the center we'll put a skewer, wooden skewer. It will come out clean. Then we know the cake is cooked. So since we are doing it in a oven, in a preheated oven, and we don't have much time, so what we do, we are going to bake this in the oven, and I have one ready. I'll show you after baking how it looks, how beautiful it comes out, and we do the plating finally, okay, for the pineapple upside down cake. So after baking from the oven, we have taken out from the oven. It's come out from the oven, and we have cut it, and the plating is done from the cake already. This is our plating for the cake. So here we have cut the slice of the cake from here. I've cut it out from a piece from the cake, and then we have beautifully plated it. Here I've used some icing sugar, slice of the pineapple cake, whipped cream, and topped with cherry. So this is a very good look and good finish for the cake. You need to present the cake nicely in the hotel. We cannot present the whole cake, so it goes portion wise. We have direct portion of the cut of the cake, and this cake is presented. So this is our cake. I hope you like the video. Thank you very much.